Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Welcome back to a brand new episode. I hope everybody out there is having a good day, positive vibes, positive energy, and we all about living our best life and achieving goals. So today I want to give you guys a brand new sneaker unboxing. The plug actually came through, dropped off a pack. This is straight out of Europe, and I thought I would give you guys a brand new sneaker unboxing. So before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you slap that notification bell. That way you'll be reminded every time I drop a new video. If this is your first time watching the Shoemanati Show, welcome to the show. You should consider subscribing. If you're a regular and you always pull up, salute. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who pulled the fuck up as soon as I drop this video. Drop gang in the comment section. And of course, shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. With that being said, let's get right into this brand new sneaker unboxing. You know how we do, man. It's the Shoemanati Show. Let go. You know the vibes, man. So, I'm back with a brand new sneaker unboxing. Hope everybody out there is having a good day. And it's time to start hitting you guys with some new bangers, taking the channel in a different direction for the new year, trying some different things, and just having more fun. So, if you made it this far in the video, hit that thumbs up, man. So, let's open these up and check these out. This sneaker actually came from 43 Enable Sneaker Store. This is a Europe store overseas, and the plug was able to scoop these up. He shot them my way, so I thought I would give you guys an unboxing. So let's open these up and let's check these out. First and foremost, we got a little pamphlet coming from 43 Enable as well. Shout out to those guys. Shout out to that sneaker store in Europe. They pretty much always have a lot of limited releases, but the bots just eat on that website so hard. But the plug was able to come through and scoop this pair up. This is the official receipt, but I won't show the information. So we have an orange Nike sportswear box. So let's take these out of the box and let's check these out. The official name of this sneaker is the Nike Air Max 1. The official colorway is wheat gold and rust pink. And the official retail price on this sneaker is $160. Guys, this is the Nike Air Max 1 Bacon. Guys, this is an OG colorway. A lot of people slept on these. Actually seen this sneaker go on sale as well online. And this is definitely worthy of a cop. Look at the Nike Air Max 1 Air Bacon. This is the Bacon Air Max 1. You have a predominantly wheat gold upper. You have hits of pink on your tongue as well as on your swooshes on your side panel. That material is similar to a varsity jacket. You got hits of brown and orange on the back. Of course, you got your Nike Air branding on the heel. This sneaker comes with an extra set of pink laces. The quality of the materials on this sneaker is really nice. It's definitely a high quality sneaker. And these are dope, man. Let me know what you guys think about this Nike Air Max 1 Air Bacon. I'll drop some links in the description box down below where you can pick these up. These did not sell out. I know they're pretty scarce online. It's kind of hard somewhat to find these, but these did not sell out. I will drop some links in the description box down below where you can pick this sneaker up. But this was the Nike Air Max Bacon. You got that wheat gold on the inside of the sneaker as well with your Nike Air branding in pink. And this outsole is one of my favorite parts of the sneaker. Not your typical Air Max 1 outsole, something a little different. I just think this sneaker is a dope sneaker. It's creative, and I love bacon, man. I try not to eat a lot of pork, but I'm a bacon fan. I just love bacon, and this kind of gives you that OG Air Max feel. They re-retroed the bacon colorway and gave it really high quality materials, and this was definitely worthy of a cop. So shout out to the plug. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Follow me on all my social medias, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. I drop links in the description box down below. Follow me, I will follow back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this unboxing helped you and helped your day somehow. And I see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
You got no line at your booth.
Sneaker YouTuber.
You got no line at your booth.
Sneaker YouTuber.
You got no line at your booth.
Sneaker YouTuber.
You got no line at your booth.
Sneaker YouTuber.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.